friends, in this video I'm very excited to show you my first thrift flip project. So sit back, relax, and let's get creative together. I bought this dress for €5 5 years ago and I never wore it. I feel it's unfortunate to just leave it in the closet, so I decided to upcycle it. I wanted to transform this dress into a Pinterest cottage style. The dress was made from viscose fabric and I feel like it's perfect to make a cottagecore style kind of outfit. Here I'm removing the zipper because I don't need it for my new dress. Then I separated the sleeves, bottom lace and ruffles from the front pieces. And these are the top, front, and this is the back piece. I leave the bottom lace and ruffles off the back piece like this, and I just redesign the neckline. I pin the front piece to the back like this. Then fold it in half. Add more pins to secure the pieces. And cut the back like this. I left about 1 centimeter at the hem while cutting. Then I made double rolled hem. I also added an extra lining only to the top front since it was a bit see-through. Then I removed an excess fabric at the armholes to make them tighter. Next, I sew the bodice and the lining together only at the armhole. This is what I got. I made 4 spaghetti straps and I pinned it to the front piece between the bodice and the lining. Then I took the ruffle and folded it in half, then cut it. Pin the ruffles to the bodice. Then sew everything together. I have to admit that this is the easiest sewing project that I have made so far because I didn't have to go through all the cutting processes. Finally, I sew the front and the back pieces together. This is the finished look of the top. For the bottom of the outfit, I just made an elastic maxi skirt. The dress already came with the lining, but it wasn't wide enough, so I had to cut an extra lining from viscose fabric. After that, I sewed the lining and the skirt together. Then I fold the top edge of the skirt to create casing for the elastic band. Finally, I inserted the elastic and top stitched the waistband to prevent the elastic from twisting. And voila! This is my first thrift flip project. What do you think? I hope this video will give you some inspiration to upcycle your clothes. See you in the next video.